In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check saved drafts on LinkedIn. Whether you're drafting an important announcement for your followers or simply experimenting with different post ideas, LinkedIn makes it easy to save and retrieve your drafts. Let's dive into the steps to access them efficiently. First, you'll want to go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. This might sound like an obvious step, but it's crucial because everything you'll be managing is housed within your profile. Once you're logged in and ready to navigate, we can access the draft feature, which is incredibly useful when you're engaging in ongoing content creation. Whenever you begin writing a post and decide to take a pause without finalizing it, LinkedIn automatically steps in to save your work as a draft. This feature is a lifesaver, particularly if you're interrupted or need more time to refine your message. Now let's talk about how you can retrieve these drafts easily. Start by landing on your LinkedIn homepage, where you'll want to locate and select the option to write a post or write an article. Doing this will open a new post window right before you, ready for editing. Here's where the magic happens. If you previously started a post and left it unsaved, LinkedIn seamlessly loads this draft into the editor for you. This automatic retrieval allows you to jump back into crafting that perfect post with minimal hassle. It's so convenient because you don't have to remember where you left off or worry about losing your thoughts midway. But what if you've changed your mind about a particular draft and it's no longer needed? You can easily delete any draft you find unnecessary or outdated. Just look for the option to delete draft or discard. LinkedIn offers this straightforward function to help you keep your draft list organized and free of clutter. By keeping only your most valuable ideas readily available, you ensure that your creative space remains focused and efficient. So there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to find and manage your saved drafts on LinkedIn. It's a simple yet powerful tool designed to help you keep your thoughts organized and improve your content before hitting publish. Whether your focus is on articles, posts, or updates, these steps will support you in staying organized in your content creation efforts. I hope this tutorial equips you to use LinkedIn more effectively. Make sure to save this video for future reference and consider sharing it with other professionals who could benefit from learning about this feature. Thank you for tuning in and happy networking on LinkedIn.